Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video and review of the lifelike Conrail Gp38-2 high hood. So this model was made sometime in the early or mid 90s. Now it's not the original version of the lifelike Conrail Gp38-2. The original Gp38-2 was just the standard one, and it was made in sometime in the 80s. And this locomotive is pretty cool. I've already ran it. I've already serviced it, put oil in it, so we'll have no problems. Here's a better view of it. Let me just carefully unbox it. Down here we have the instructions, how to maintain it, and part numbers and everything. Just the basic stuff. Here's the locomotive. It's road number 8164. Now I'm going to look that up on Morsher's site and see what 8164 was. I have a feeling this is an actual number of an actual Conrail Gp38-2. Maybe not a high hood, but I do know Conrail did have some Gp38-2 high hoods from the Erie, Lackawanna, and Reading, I believe. May had some high hoods that are Gp38-2s, but they eventually turned them into normal Gp38-2s with the chopped noses. But it's a really nice looking model. Obviously it's a lifelike, so it lacks a little bit of detail, but really not that bad. The only thing I have a little bit of a complaint of, but really not really, because it's pretty much every single model company has this issue, is that they don't get the blue, the right blue for the Conrail models. Whenever they do one, it's every single brand, it varies. Even nowadays, like, I'd say the only brand that gets it like spot on would be Scale Trains or Athearn, but other than that, everyone else, it's not the correct shade of blue, but it still looks very nice. It's still this is only very slightly darker than Conrail blue. It really doesn't bother me, and it shouldn't bother anyone. It's pretty much the same color. It's the exact same color almost. Even with my Bachmann one, the Dash 8, it's a little bit darker than the normal Conrail blue was, but it's the same with every model company. They have the same issue with the Conrail units. I'm going to point out the details in a second. So over here we have the handrails, Conrail logo, a bunch of rivet detail all over the sides and hinges and stuff for the door to get into the motor, and headlights, rear headlights, and has horn hook couplers. Of course, it was the 90s, and it was the last decade that horn hook couplers were really prevalent. And up here we have cooling fans, radiator, exhaust, and then I may put an antenna detail on here, I don't know. And then we have Leslie 3SL train horn, and road number, Conrail logo. Trucks, we have the shock absorbers, Timken roller bearings, and up here we have a bunch of grab irons. Here's stairs, and I'll show you the front of the locomotive in a second. So here's the front of the locomotive. We have window / door, and we have window, headlight, number board, which I'm going to actually print out decals to put on here, and Here's the front. Now, I don't know, I may or may not put a snowplow in here, I don't know, because not all, but most Conrail units had snowplows. Most of the early Conrail units that came from all the other railroads that merged into did not have snowplows on a lot of them. And here's the front handrail and stairs, and that's all. I'm about to show you it running in a second. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more content and all that.